Industry 4.0 is transforming manufacturing worldwide. Automation, AI, machine learning, and the industrial Internet of Things are driving massive advances in efficiency and productivity. While these technologies may replace some manual tasks, they're creating a demand for workers with new skills to operate and manage them. Amatrol's portable smart machine sensor learning system is the ideal solution for training the workforce of tomorrow. It's an affordable, portable training system designed to teach Industry 4.0 technologies with real-world components. The system covers essential sensors like capacitive, inductive, and ultrasonic, as well as smart system components and topics like RFID, condition monitoring, and data analytics. Learners get hands-on experience with cloud computing, predictive maintenance, smart sensor testing, and more. All in a compact, portable system. No other training system can match Amatrol's unique combination of comprehensive e-learning curriculum paired with hands-on skill development with real industrial components. Contact your Amatrol representative today to learn more about this revolutionary Industry 4.0 training system.